Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I will show you how to remove the Meta AI on WhatsApp. So let us dive into the video, but before we dive into the video, please kindly subscribe to this channel for all your latest updates on application and how to do things. So let us dive in. So the first thing you are going to do is to open your application, your WhatsApp application. So when the WhatsApp application is open, then you click on this three dots over here, as you can see on top at the right corner. So when you open it, you click on settings. So the first thing you're going to do when you open this page is going to be that you should click on chat option. So the first thing is to chat backup. You back up your chat. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. So with this method I want to teach you right now is to back up your chat in order to remove this AI Meta AI on your WhatsApp. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. So this Meta AI. So after doing that, guys, after backing up your messages on WhatsApp, so the next thing you are going to do is to go on Chrome, on Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. You type WhatsApp. Sorry, you type what they call WhatsApp. Can you see it here on my screen? You type WhatsApp 2.24.8.4 download. So when you click on that, you click on it right there. So after clicking on it, you choose any one of your choice, guys. From this result, get any one of your choice, guys. So when you download that, so after downloading it, you click on it. Sorry for that. So after clicking on it, it will load up this page. Then you go to the download section over there. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. So you click on the download option. So when you download the option, you just fill in your phone number that you used for your former WhatsApp. After that, then you can start using it. Then the AI will definitely disappear, guys. So thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.